Sharon.
Ito na po ang pinaka-aabangan na pagtatapos ng Pinoy Big Brother Teen Class of 2010, Unite at the Big Night. Para malaman ang ginawang ultimate decision ng taong bayan, kasama kong muli si Ms. Fajardo at maaari na nating makuha ang envelopes for the second Teen Big Placer and of course, our latest Teen Big Winner. With me, the business unit head development, Mr. Paulo Pineda, escorting the managing director of Channel 2, Mega Manila, Ms. Cory Vidanes. At eto na, babalikan kong muli, sina James at Brett. I'm back, teen housemates. And then there were two. Isa sa inyo ay ating magiging Teen Big Winner ng edisyong ito. Isa na may papalakpak para sa ating Teen Big Winner. Okay, kahit lalaki kayong dalawa, I want you to hold hands. Sige, holding hands. Okay. Ito na marahil ang isa sa pinakamahalagang announcements ng inyong buhay. Makinig kayong mabuti dahil sisimulan natin ang back-to-back announcements with the second Teen Big Placer. Tita Cory, please do the honors.
Garnering 169,797 votes, or 18.7% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010, second Teen Big Placer, Ryan.
We have the assistant brand manager, Ms. Daphne Del Oipico. And for the Sony Vaio laptop, we have the Bravia marketing officer, Ms. Rihanna Toledo. And can we call the family members of Ryan, please?
Yes, we have Ryan's mom, Shin Myung-ja, and his auntie, Lee Jong-hee. Hi, good evening and congratulations! What would you like to say to all of Ryan's supporters?
Thank you very much to all the supporters of Ryan, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Mga kapamilya, muli salubungin nating lahat ang second Teen Big Placer! Reunion, nag-iiyakan silang lahat.
And Ryan's really the happy one. Ryan, here are your prizes.
Yes, we have
You have prizes.
Yes,
Look at your
from
prizes.
Jack and Jill, you have 500,000 pesos, and you get a Sony Vaio laptop.
Ryan is in shock.
You have a laptop now. Oh, Ryan, ako. Since you are the second Teen Big Placer, we're expecting you to talk to them in Tagalog. What can you say to all of the Filipinos who supported you?
Maraming salamat po. Mahal kita. Tapos,
mahal kita. Tapos, most important thing is, mahal na mahal kita.
Tatlong bagay ang sinabi niya. Pero isa lang ang kahulugan. Mahal niya tayong lahat. Mahal na mahal ka rin namin, Ryan.
Love you, Ryan.
Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. And
Congratulations.
to formally announce our team big winner, Tita Cory.
Garnering 179,294 votes, or 19.75% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 big winner, James!
Of course, we have James' sister Lauren and his friend Butch to welcome him back to the outside world. And of course, for the 46-inch LCD TV from Sony, we have Bravia Marketing Officer Ms. Ren Toledo, and for the Asia Tour for 2 all-expense-paid trip from Von Dutch, we have Mr. Edward Watson.
For the 1.5 million worth of complete crystal clear franchise from Solarex, we have the business development manager, Ferdinand Laureta. For the 1 million pesos check from Jack and Jill, we have Miss Pico. For the 3 million condo unit at GA Tower 1 from Globe Asiatic, we have Chief Financial Officer Mr. Dexter Lee and the President for Sales and Marketing, Miss Divine Lee.
At ito na ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, ang mensahe ni James para sa lahat ng sumuporta sa kanya.
Mahal ako na kayo lahat.
Mahal na mahal ka rin namin, James. Muli ang ating Pinoy Big Brother Teen Class of 2010 Team Big Winner, James! Congratulations, James! Mga kapamilya, muli, gumawa na naman po tayo ng kasaysayan sa ating paghirang ng ating latest Team Big Winner na si James.
Yes, but this doesn't mean that the Teen Clash of 2010 is officially over dahil magkikita-kita pa po tayo bukas para sa isang grand reunion. Ang High Five, the Big 5 Years of Pinoy Big Brother. Pagkatapos po yan ng Sharon.
Yes, magsasama di lamang lahat ng teen housemates ng Clash of 2010, kundi maging yung mga paboritong housemates mula sa mga nakaraang edisyon. For me, Tony and Mariel's outfits tonight, we would like to thank Edwin Tan, Francis Libiran, Pepsi Herrera, Atlee Ramirez. Special thanks to Tong Lau and Mother Bing Cristobal. For my makeup, I would like to thank Jigs Mayuga. For my hair, thank you Bren Sales, thank you Alex Carbonell of Studio Fix, and Avon Mix.
I would like to thank Christine Duque for my makeup, John Valia for my hair, SM Accessories, Meg, Zenzes, The Trust, Dr. Manning Palpalayan, Crossack Blue, Antonio Dressing Salon de Manila Splash, Susan White Whitening, Sandy Eyewear, Fresh Look Contact Lens. Maraming salamat!
Shapes, Faces, and Curves, Dental Arts, Fresh Look Contact Lenses, Merrill, Wade, Bigger Lime, Odessa Race Placenta, Edwin Tan, AJ Alberto, Kat Ante, Price Consuelo, and Macy. Maraming salamat! Maraming salamat mga kapamilya! Tayong lahat ay tumutok pa rin sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay ng kabataang Pinoy with our Team Big Winner James. Dito po ang